na tayo.
So no need to pray because we have done the first hearing.
So mura maghatag ako. Magbigay pa ko sa lain din.
And then start. So introduce yourself and then go on with the lesson.
Wait, sige rin. Good day, class. Today we will talk about something that keeps us moving even when life is difficult. And that is food. So, by the way, class, I am Principal Joshua Emanuel, School Principal sa St. Ralph. So, instead of giving it right away, I want you to discover the meaning by looking at some real-life situation. Kung unsa ginambo, no? Dili mo na ko is-fulfill dayon nga mauni ang meaning sa huli. Pinoy tikiya tagamay. So, okay, before that, nakatag sa ko ninyo sa atong objective sa atong klase. Pag Bisaya, ano na?
You are doing a demo in a class. So you are your students, you're not your classmates.
Okay, so the objectives are the students will be able to define what hope is, and the second, students will analyze how hope influences daily decisions and actions. And third, students will be able to express hope in their own lives. Okay, now I will give you some real life situation na makaingon ta na asa natin ang bukan. Okay? Una, so, have you ever experienced losing something or failing at something important?
Yes.
Yes. How about Yuri?
Yes.
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 And then, what did you do after that experience? Arnel?
Great.
Very good. There's a candy for you later. So, okay, one example. Una, a student fails an important exam but decides to study harder and try again next time. So, pangutana, what happened with the student? Okay, thank you, Brian. And then, the second question, how did the student respond to a failure? Clyde? Oh, thank you, Mr. Clyde, for your wonderful answer. And what attitude did the student show? Ayan. Oh, thank you, Ayan. So, another example. A family loses their home in a fire but begins rebuilding together with the help of their community. Okay? What difficulty did the family face? Brother Lawan, sama. Okay, thank you. And then, what they did do after the tragedy? Yuri? Okay, thank you, Brother Yuri. And then, what helped them to move forward? Okay, thank you, class, for your participation. Grabe ka-active ni nga klase. Sino nga sa iyong klase? Okay. Now, what do all these situations have in common man? Unsa may inyo kanang masulti sa katong duha ka real life situation nga unsa man? Unsa pa? Nga wala yung sila name? Surrender or give up. Very good. You will have that candy later. Now, let's do the etymological breakdown sa unsa na hope. Una, in Old English, the word hope comes from the Old English noun hopa. This word initially meant confidence in the future and could also refer to God or Christ as a basis for hope. And then, it is related to the verb hopia, which meant to expect or to look for. And then, in the kaduha, in the Latin word, hope is spes, goddess of hope. The root spes is related to the Proto-Indo-European root spes, meaning prosperity. And then lastly, in the Greek, the word hope is elpis. Elpis Wesley. So this term is more accurately translated as expectation or confident expectation, suggesting a firm belief that something will happen. So mauna ang kanang. Okay. Now, sa common definition, kumanahan ta sa katong etymological breakdown sa kanang the word hope. Now, the common definition of hope sa matag dictionary, accordingly, it is a feeling of expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen. And then, according to Mark Alan Powell, hope is not expressed as desire, but an expectation. Yang giingon, in the Bible, hope is not normally expressed as desire, but as expectation. Something good that one knows is going to happen. And so, in a religious sense, hope is the expectation of the favorable future under God's direction. Now, based sa katungkuan, akong i-present nga etymological breakdown antod sa kanang common definition of hope, and then according ni Mark Alan Powell. So, kung sa may kanang yung nasabtan nga definition. Brian? Okay, exactly. Hope is a positive attitude that helps us to look forward to a better future no matter how difficult life becomes. Okay, and that's all sa akong discussion about sa hope. Ang ako na gigamit ani is inductive. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Go on with the next so that we can give the tips on how to improve.
Go to